Hi, good to see you again. Let's imagine living in a world where people respect each other, regardless of race, gender, or political difference, where the respect is based upon how the person behaves, not on what they say. Imagine living in a world where you are not told what to think, but instead how to gather information, analyse the data, and hold intelligent discussions. Imagine if the mainstream media was slow to form a judgment and instead focused in on asking questions to uncover the truth. Imagine if schools and universities taught each individual how to tap into their God-given talents and utilise those talents to create the next best version of themselves in harmony with others. With those aims in mind, I unleashed the power of the NLP Meta Model and put it into the NLP Peace Mapping Course. This is an online course in investigative journalism that gives you the core features of the NLP communication model. In the NLP Peace Mapping Course, you will learn how to develop critical thinking skills to outsmart the experts, how to challenge everything for the truth and have a lot of fun in the process, how to be an investigative journalist and discover the facts. And rather than blindly accepting what you see on the internet, you will learn how to develop a questioning mind such that you delay forming a judgment. The benefits of challenging everything for the truth are that you throw off the sheep's clothing given to you by society and you become an individual. You become an inspiration for others and you discover peace of mind. So rather than arguing with people and telling them what you think, what if you could ask thought-provoking questions that help them to become a better version of themselves? What if you could ask questions of people in your community such that you're able to help facilitate positive change and create harmony amongst different groups? What if you could create a better world by asking questions rather than demanding that others change? Would you be interested? For a limited time only, I will be making some of my NLP courses available to you for free. So please take this opportunity and visit my website, create an account, and enroll in one or more of my courses for free. Just follow the link below to my website. The link is also at the top left of every web page, so that you can't miss this opportunity. Make sure that you share this video with your friends, and I look forward to seeing you over at my website.